Hey people, how are you? Today we will learn how to download line chart in Google Sheets. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Sheets. Now we can see here the data table for this line chart. Now I am click and drag on our mouse to select the data table. Then go to the insert menu and we can see here the chart option. Now I am click this. And we can see here many chart here. Now I am click this setup option and click the chart drop down menu, and we can see here the line chart. You can insert the straight line chart, otherwise the smooth line chart or the combo chart. Now I am select the smooth line chart. You can customize this line chart. Go to the customization option. You can change the chart style or the series, legend axis or the grid line and tricks. Now I am close the window. Now I am click the chart option and click the more option. Then we can see here many option. Now I am click the download chart. We can see here three option available: PNG, PDF or SVG. Now I download the chart as a PDF. Then click this download option and we can see here the chart. Now I am drag on another tab and we can see we download the line chart very easily. I hope you understand this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.